you see her sing?
And good luck, James.
I love her accent, man. Amira singing over the weekend.
I like the Afrikaans. It's about as good as mine. Well, we are, as you can see, over the moon that we've been able to give away such unbelievable prizes this morning. I think we've shocked our first 2 prize winners.
I think you're over the moon. I'm jealous that I can't go to any of this because we're calling you up right now. In fact, our producers is making another phone call. It could be you.
Please.
We are very live, so answer your phone if it does ring.
Please, I know it's very early, but take that call. We could be giving you a prize that remains in one of our 3 boxes.
Hello.
Good morning.
You are live on Expresso on SABC3. This is Graham and Ilana. What is your name?
Who are we speaking to?
Nomakaya.
Nomakaya from Magale City.
Thanks.
Welcome to the show. Now, Nomakaya, you've got to choose from number 1, 3, and number 5. First of all, have you registered to be an Avios?
Yes, I've registered.
You've registered. Oh, I hear a little baby.
Who is that with you?
It's Katleho, my little girl.
Oh, that's where Kat is this morning,
see?
man.
Okay, hello, Katleho.
Hello,
You must scream louder, Katleho. Okay, so number 1, 3, and 5. Which box would you like to choose from?
1,
number
3, or
3.
5? Number 3.
Okay, here we go. Nomakaya,
Dun,
I'm
dun.
holding thumbs. You have won.
Very nice. Your life is about to get that much easier. You have got 1,000 rands worth of fuel courtesy of BP. Oh, well done.
Which means, Nomakaya, you can either use it for fuel at your nearest BP or you can use it for groceries, really. Who do you want to say hi to this morning, Nomakaya?
My husband who's at work and my mom at home, and yeah, my sister-in-law also at home.
Sending them much love. Now, I have to ask you, Nomakaya, do you by any chance have yourself an Avios credit card as well?
No, I only have the Avios card only.
Oh, that's unfortunate. We could have given you the opportunity to draw from one more box this morning, but go out and get it.
Wait. Do you want to see what you could have won?
Oh, that's mean.
If you were to choose box number 1, you could have had a 4 nights accommodation stay at any Lou Giffen Sotheby's home. Okay.
Oh, that's heartbreaking.
And then must we open number 5?
No, that's just heartbreaking. I'm not going to. I'm going to keep it for myself. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for joining our travel community. Enjoy racking up those Avios. I hope they take you somewhere very special. Now, we're going to give you the lowdown on how you can join our Avios community and inspire you with some awesome prizes. The giveaways will continue throughout next week. Let's get a bit of background.
Be sure not to miss out. Join Expresso's exciting new travel community, proudly brought to you by Avios. Stand the chance of winning big with fabulous weekly prizes. To sign up, SMS TRAVEL to 33728. Up for grabs are state-of-the-art Samsung tablets, a range of British Airways flights, a luxurious stay for 6 people at one of the spectacular Lou Giffen Sotheby's properties, and much, much more. Expresso, your feel-good breakfast show. Find it on SABC3.
Wider.